Hi, welcome back to my channel, Call Me Anna. Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into my new series, Gnome Family Drama. I'm going to show you a few new pieces of things I'm working on for the upcoming series. So deep breaths, and here we go. What may this be? Oh, it's a market stall! What is this, for wheat? It must be. Little wheat for tiny hands. Ouch! Ouch! It's hot! It's a fireplace! Should have known. It looks like a table. Is that what it is? I don't know. Oh, it must be. It is a table. Do you guys think I got this right? Maybe I'll think again. But I think I did a pretty good job. Now get excited for the next video. Bye!